short up on this retracement back up. Trying to see what price is moving down really slow, but if this falls down underneath this band, we should get a decent little push down to at least test the bottom, test the lows today. So I'll be back here short. Okay, guys, back testing the 89%. Do have one BB closed underneath. We need to get underneath the zero line. We're starting to push. We've still been pushing on the lower time frame. 610 needs to get underneath the band as well. Went up to the zero line of failure. I'll mark this and we'll come back and see where we're going. Alright, it's hanging out here. I got a email on how, I guess I've got a lot of emails to go through and questions to answer, but somebody was asking how I delete my fib so quick. You just left click, highlight this, and hit the delete button on your keyboard instead of right clicking and remove. Just highlight it, hit delete, and that's all you do. I think it's look for a retracement. We'll see how far it goes, and I'll be back. Alright, guys. I'm finally starting to push down. We kind of made a weird little pattern here, but we're starting to push. Looking at
order pending. Order pending. Order pending.
Take off a little bit here.
Order filled.
I'm going to go through some emails and try to answer some questions here that I've had. Sent. Guess I'll go back. I'm just going to go back to October. I'm not go back too far. Let's see, that was first. I hadn't been able to get back to everybody. Let's see, I know I've got on that frame. Just reading through, I've gotten a lot of questions about, live trading and everything else. I do not have anything set up. I don't have a company set up. I don't have anything done yet. I had some personal issues, both sides of the family to take care of. So that's gotten backed up. Now I do plan on trying to do some live events before the end of the year. I've got to get some uh,
Fill.
a new system set up because I let everything expire. Let's see. Alright. Well, I'm not going to read any of those out loud. I guess I'll just go through these and try to. Because most of them are kind of. Some of them I've already answered in videos. Um, that kind of stuff, so. Huh. Probably slow it down here. Looking for 63 or 62 is kind of what I'm looking for today. Anyway, I'll try to get. I'll go through some of these emails today, or tomorrow, and get those sent back out. Ones that have sent private emails to me, and try to get your questions answered the best I can. Hope everybody's had a great week. I'm ready for the holidays. Can't wait for it. Alright, I'll get this marked. And we'll go from there. Alright, guys.
Order pending. Order filled.
Covering one there. I don't know what this thing's just hanging out. So excuse me. So I'll just cover that and let's see where we go. We're about 5 points. 4.8, 4.9 somewhere points from entry. Alright guys, there's the 63 I was looking for. Excuse me guys. There's the 62 half. So we're up 7 points. No reason not to hit 62 even now. Been answering emails finally. Sorry about that, guys. I hadn't gotten back. Now all the responses on the activity on the YouTube page I'll try to get to today as well. I don't have any rooms big enough, to go to meeting and all that kind of stuff. I've got to give them a call back and see if I can get something set up to try to. I'd like to do about 2 live events before the end of the year before I kind of just check out for a little while longer. So we'll see. Price is slowing down. The 62. Well, I said 63 to 62. So this is the area I was looking for. And it could bounce here, but we'll. I'm just gonna go above this high, see if we can hang on to it, see if we can get a farther push. All right, guys, they're getting a good push up. We might get a retracement here. See, everything's pushing. got a nice bulge, heel, instep, push. Probably get a push into the 50 or so. Just going through my emails, trying to make sure I got everybody on the list. I guess I've got everybody now. Make sure I got the mailing list correct. Just checking news real quick, guys. That's all I'm doing. Let's see. We've had a nice pattern that comes down. I'll bring down the 987 for you. There's the pivot. There's the, so 63 to 62. Kind of a half back of, the late morning pullback and up. This morning comes down, bear flags up, gets your retracement into the 61% area, and down it goes. Now you can look at, does it go 100%? There's your 62 area as well. So you got a lot of zones in this area to pay attention to. And you see we bounced off that area as well. Trying to think of what else. I'll bring down, let's see, this is 67, 65. This was the Head and Shoulders. I thought we'd come back and test the neckline. We have done that today, yesterday and today. We've come back down under it. Don't really have any negative divergences going on just yet. So, could this been some kind of weird left shoulder head, right shoulder breakout? Now they're just back testing its neckline for the move up. Right now I've got I don't really have an opinion on that just yet. We did hit the 61, so we could make a run back up here very easily. But we do take it one day at a time. Try not to get too far ahead and get your trade what you see, not what you think should happen.
Stop filled.
There we go. Finally got stopped out. Alright guys, that's going to be it for the day. I hope everybody has a great day. There's your 50 half back. This should push. Just bringing in, that could be it. 50 to 61. Test this area here. See what kind of reaction you get. But that's a good enough morning for me. I hope everybody has a great day. I did get some emails sent out. Sorry about that, guys. You'd be amazed of all the emails and everything else I have to go through. And while I was gone, I just got backed up. Now on the YouTube comments, I'll try to go on there and answer those today. And I'll be looking into trying to figure out how to get a live event going if y'all are interested in that. I don't have any services that can handle this amount of people. So I'll need to look into see if they, give me a month or two free, and we can go from there. Or we can do. I think the YouTube is probably a little bit too big of a delay. I know the other platform I was trying out, that beta platform, is delayed as well and dropping frames like you wouldn't believe. So I don't think that would work either. So everybody have a great day, and hope to see you tomorrow maybe. Good night, y'all.